It's been already 6 months.
Yes.
But nothing of our demand, that is separate administration from the Manipur government, was not addressed till today. So, if our voice of our rally, the voice we raise in the rally is not heard, just a couple of weeks will come, then we'll be setting up our self-government. Whether the central recognize or not, we have to go on with our self-government. As it was in a state or in a territory, we'll be setting up a government that will look after all the administration in the Kuki-Zo tribe areas. May it be home, medical, or all the departments will be there. So we'll be trying to set up. We are trying to set up a government, since our problems and the voice that we raise were not heard till today.